Thank you for joining us here at the BCMG Report. My name is Samantha Mesco. Today I'm here with Pete Walker, the VP of Operations. How are you doing today?
Not bad at all, and you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Okay, so let's dive right in. Can you tell us about your background and experience in the insurance industry and how you have come to be the VP of Operations of BCMG Insurance Brokers?
Insurance is a weird thing. Not anybody gets into it just, oh my God, I love insurance, and I'm going to run into it. It's something that all of us kind of end up in. I was originally an IT professional. I used to go to my brother's office, worked at an insurance company. And when he resigned the position, I just went into that job. And I worked my way through that insurance company for 16 years, all the way till I was the assistant general manager of their commercial business. After 16 years in insurance, I wanted to try something different. So I reached out to William at Billy Craig. He had a position available, and I joined that team as at the time head of operations. And then moved when they merged with MGI with BCMG. I moved to the role of VP operations then.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us more about the claims portal that you helped to pioneer and how it has impacted your clients?
Claims portal. This is one of the ideas that the team had for some time. Having joined the team, we had a very good IT professional there, Otis Plummer, who actually had software engineering training. And this is one of the ideas that they had always kind of bounced about. How can we help our clients better report claims? We have a lot of clients, the commercial clients, that have a lot of incidents that occur day to day. It's not things that are going to have a financial impact, but things that have to track, report to us in a timely fashion, and make sure that we manage it throughout this process. So with that in mind, we decided that we could really help everybody by creating a system that's very seamless, customizable to our clients, allowing them to quickly report an incident and watch it, manage it all the way through to completion. And with that, we actually created the claims portal. A lot of feedback came from our clients and our team. And Otis was an amazing professional, was able to put that all together with some tools that we had in-house. And we created this fabulous claim portal, which now we get about 80% of our claims through this portal.
Amazing. Amazing. Great. Okay. What do you think are some of the biggest challenges facing the insurance industry from an operations perspective, and how are you addressing these challenges?
Samantha, it's been one of the things from the start of insurance time. It's information. That's what we're dealing with. We are partnering with the clients and the insurer, and we have to collect all this information, translate it into something that is able to understood by the insurer, and create contracts, discuss, negotiate, and pass that back and forth between all those parties. If we do that well, it results in a product that is customized for our clients and gives them the service they need. And if we don't do it well, it can result in problems, claim settlement, further down the line. So one of the things we have focused on is how can we improve that communication channel? The claims portal is an example of exactly that, being able to quickly communicate effectively between all those parties. Where I think as well, we have been doing a lot more work on is the front end. When we meet with our clients, gathering information, the interface between us and our insurer, making sure that that's also very tight. And we want to have the best documentation process across all insurers, all the brokers that are out there. So that's one of the key focus areas for us.
Great. How do you think technology is changing the insurance industry, and what impact do you think this will have on your operations?
Well, it's interesting. I think a lot of people give Jamaica a hard time, including Jamaican government, about use of technology. But I do think when we compare ourselves to the Caribbean islands, we are actually one of the best. It does take time to change. And I think some people are taking that time. So not everybody's at the same level. So when you look at our insurance partners, not all partners have the same level of infrastructure available. So it does mean that we have to learn between each partner to work with the different levels that they're at. It's also true for our clients. So where I find that we've been able to really make a difference is be that intermediary that can translate what you have, whether it is very technical or not very technical, into a package that we can quickly transmit on the other side. And that's kind of where we think the revolution will be.
Can you talk about particularly innovative systems and solutions and the initiative that you have led for the involvement during your career and what has impacted it?
Well, there have been so many different initiatives that we have had. And, one of the most recent ones that we're working on right now is with us. We do a lot of business with employee benefits. We started very early. When I first joined BCMG, there wasn't a lot of insurers that had successfully implemented portals across their service structure. So when you report that employee benefits incident, we're going through a manual process. Now we find that more insurance companies have actually gotten their own portals and are interfacing directly with clients. And it's on the employee benefit side. When we just started out, we became that interface. We pushed that so hard for both the insurers and the clients to take advantage of it. I wouldn't say it was not there. I just don't think it was appreciated to the level it could have been. So insurers always invested in the technology, but the clients never necessarily used it. And I think the timing is now where clients are a lot more tax heavy. And it was just that we needed to have that person or the insurers to have that confidence that now is the time to really invest in this again. And you're going to have clients that will use it. And what our role has been is bring that technology, bring that kind of interface, share with the clients. If we have clients that are willing to use the claims portal or the employee benefits portal, what it means that these clients are primed to be technological solution provide users in the future. So you find that an insurer who invests in technology now has a better quality of client. This is the case of the rising tide, our ships. We've found that we've been able to use that kind of a push. The interface we have with the clients is very individualistic. We get to meet them one on one. So if they are convinced that this technology solution is good for them and they're willing to implement it and move forward, it means that they're actually a better client as they go on.
Yes.
It means that they can take advantage of the technology that's out there now. So we find now, if you look at most of the major health providers, they have their own portals, and we have clients now who are willing to use it, and ourselves as partners who are also willing to use it. So the investment becomes even more, and we get better, we become more effective. And I see that being the direction for all of us going forward in the insurance industry, a better insurance industry for everyone.
Wonderful. Well, I just want to tell you, Pete, thank you so much for taking the time to answer these questions. Thank you for watching. This has been the BCMG Report.